As a company, we are focused on a business solution specialist for the process industry. About 75 companies, we have done the work across India. Some of the customers are the US and European customers. 95% of the customers are from the process industry. Having said that we are expert in the process industry, two things we do that. Number one is that most of the companies, they have their own business challenges. Business challenges may be related to the financial related issues, operation related issues, or maybe to the market related issues, many of those things. So we look at those business challenges and see that how do we address those business challenges, number one. Second thing is how do we make your company more profitable? Before we do that, we look at very seriously into a different platform, that is that all of your company exists because you are doing a business with your customers. The day when my customers stop doing business with me, I am no more existing in the business scenario. Same is the case, you all exist in the business because your customers are doing business with you. And we are going to spend a lot of time in our business scenarios when we start engaging with you, that what is that value you guys are delivering to your customers? Or alternately, if you ask a question that why should your company, why should your customers are giving business to you? And what is the competitive landscape you people are operating, whether you are a cost leadership or if there is a technology leadership or you say that solution leadership, what platform you people are into it. We understand your business first. Then once you understand the business with that, okay, it will become very clear for us that what is that business benefit you people wants to derive end of the day. That's why we come to that, the IT strategies and all those things. So when I said the business challenges means, what are the business challenges you people are facing as of today? Now, how do we address using our knowledge of the business knowledge and also IT knowledge? As a company, first we look at the business as a global environment, how the whole industry is working. Then we look at each industry, how it works. Then we come to each company, how they are operating within the environment, within the global environment to go through this, and we find a solution. There's a process in SpectraSoft what we go through this, right? How do we translate the business, global business environment into a solution to your specific company? So value proposition, what we bring it as a specialist in this industry is that, we deliver, we guarantee the success where we know the industry. We do not take something which we don't know the industry. In order to deliver the success, what's important is that knowledge of the industry. Second thing is the people who worked in that industry. Third thing is using the right product, the right tools, or you can write solution, you can call it. This is what delivers the success. If I put it, or if I elaborate a little more on that, in terms of knowledge, we understand how a domestic and international business works. We understand the regulatory requirements. We understand what are the different processes happen in the R&D environment. We understand the best practices followed in the industry. So from a business perspective, we have a deep knowledge. That's why in the first slide we said that we are a business first. We know the business, how it operates. Second thing is that we have people who worked in this industry with 100+ consultants. When I say user consultant, they're all the employees of SpectraSoft. Those are the people who got a strong knowledge in the industry, and people knows about the regulatory compliances in terms of the IFRS, or if it's the accounting related activities, they are very well aware of that. And plus some of them are used to the US FDA audits and the related activities. So this is the profile of the people. Third thing in terms of the people, as is briefed by Anup and also by other person, Ram, that SAP is a huge product. Now, at the end of the day, how do you make that product to work for your organization is the challenge. They have a solution for your R&D, they have a solution for manufacturing, sales, analytics, everything they have a solution. It is just that how do you make that solution to work for you is the question. So we understand that product very well. So our knowledge of business, knowledge people, what we have that, and also the knowledge of the product, we make sure that it works for your companies. When I say that when it works for your company, there should be measurable things, as you see in the case studies, higher profit margin for a marginal investments. Second thing is that you are able to get a maximum juice out of your investment onto the plant and machinery. Third thing is that higher businesses visibility operations, because most of you in the compliance related area, that's very important. Fourth one is there's a minimum saving of 8 to 12%. We have measured this with the various companies, how this benefit can give. This is the value benefit we bring it onto the table as a company.